In just under a minute, millions of Americans will witness history for the first time ever. The government will launch a nationwide test of the emergency alert system. It's designed to allow the President of the United States to address the country within 10 minutes from any location at any time. The system was not used on 9/11, which some critics say proves the U.S. is still living with an outdated warning system. So, if you're watching television or you listen to the radio, you are about to hear it. We're told it will last just 30 seconds. 1370. Take on the severe spending cuts necessary to pull Greece out of its debt crisis. In other news, legendary Penn State football coach Chip Paterno says he will retire at the end of the season. This comes as his former assistant coach Sherry Sandusky is charged with several counts of child rape. Paterno released this statement. Here's what he says. This is, quote, "This is a tragedy. It is one of the great sorrows of my life. With the benefit of hindsight, I wish I had done more." Coming up in less than 10 minutes from CNN, we're going to hear from some current Penn State